Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and another video, and I hope we all are keeping safe just as I am. Today's tutorial I'm going to be showing us how I created this gorgeous cut crease look displayed right now. I hope someone out there gets inspired by this look, and well, without wasting much time, let's delve into the tutorial. Alright, first thing I'm going to be doing now is using my rose hip water to moisturize my face. This is just to prep my face and to get it set for my makeup. And after spraying that, what I just do is allow it to air dry by fanning my face. And first thing usually I do is set my eyebrow before anything else. And as we all know, the normal drill, I draw from the underline of my eyebrow. And right now I'm using my Maybelline eyebrow gel to draw my eyebrows. So I did the right hand side and I headed down to the left hand side. And yes, that's exactly what I'm doing. Next is I'm gonna be concealing the eyebrows to give it a nice shape. And right here I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Afterwards, when putting that, you put the major thing we must know is that while concealing your eyebrow, use a lighter concealer under the eyebrow. In that way, you're highlighting your eyebrow. Then on the upper part, you use either your skin tone or one shade darker for the upper side of the eyebrow. Now the eyebrow is all set. Next, right now is I'm going to be setting my canvas, that's my crease area, ready for my eyeshadow application. And now I'm using my Juvier palette. I'm going to leave the description of these colors below in the description section. So first thing, now I'm transitioning with the brown that I pointed out right now. This is to give it, because of the color that I'm actually going to be using, I want a darker base, like a transition for the cut crease. So now when you're applying, you apply, then blend in using your blending brush. Depends on what works for you though. So when you apply, you use your circular motion and blend in to give it a flawless look. So yeah, I'm actually using my jelly to apply to achieve the cut crease, and cleaning with my cutting boards to get the area clean to apply my cut crease, or to apply my next base for the cut crease. And yes, so now I just applied my base that I'm going to be using for my cut crease. And I think on this right here I used my Tara primer. So the next color as displayed is what I'm going to be using to achieve the gold area. So on this point, the method to use in applying is plastering method. You need to plaster the color in order for it not to like smear or not to break. So you have to plaster the color. Patiently plaster so that you don't cross those lines and mess up the cut crease itself. Yes, and that's what I'm doing right now. So you apply the eyeshadow over and over. You repeat those colors until you get the tone, or the the tone you want. And right here I'm actually lining my eyes using one of my colors. It's more like, this is an heart color, and you can actually improvise with whatever you have, because I didn't have the blue gel liner, so I used my eye color and it did the job well. So because the eye color is kind of light, and if I don't make it dry it's going to smear, there I applied my blue eyeshadow to dry up the eyeliner. So I just applied that color there to create more highlight on my eyebrow. As you can see, that kind of reflecting color underneath my eyebrow area. So, and to tone it down, because I noticed it was kind of too sharp, I'm using the same brown I used to transition to tone down that area. And because I'm going to be applying glitters on my eyeliner, the blue lining part, I'm applying my glitter glue first. Before now I'm applying the glitters. This is to enable those glitters stay. And yes, this is the glitters. As you can see, the glitters are all there intact. So now I'm heading down to the full face glamming, and I'm priming my face with my Health Blemish Control Primer. Next, I'm using my Fit Me Maybelline foundation and blending in. So afterwards, I actually am using my white pencil from NK Cosmetics. It's really a cheap pencil you can get in any store or beauty supply. And to complement the upper part of my eyeliner, I decided to use the blue eyeshadow under my eye area, under the waterline kind of. And I created a teardrop with that color. That's the teardrop effect. So guys, we all know highlighting and shading, contouring is the big deal right now. So I actually used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of I think that was creamy beige. And now to create a little bit of shading and blush on my cheek area, I used one of the colors on my Juvier palette, one of the eyeshadow colors. This is to create a glow effect. That's why I'm using my Nubian Highlighter by Juvier. I know my voice is a little bit cracked. It's been an hectic day for me, guys. Please bear with the voice, okay? So my lips now, I used my Maybelline lip color. The shade I'm going to be putting down, like I said, in the description below. I almost forgot to put my mascara under my eyelashes. And without that, you see the difference is actually clear. With the mascara, it brought out the look in the eye. And that's basically all. This is the finished product, guys. I hope you all like this. I hope you like the video. If you actually like the video, subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. And Do not also forget to like and share the video to your friends and family, even to your enemies as well. And also hit the notification bell so that when I put up a video, you will get notified. Once again, guys, thank you all for watching. And this hair, by the way, was made by moi. I made this hair by myself and I was so glad I did. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.